Kaibigan Weekly News Updates. Headlines.
Militiang Bayan member surrender with firearms in Abra. Former Red Area liberated from CTG influence. Kaibigan Troopers initiated Kapwa Ko Sagot Ko program. Students says no to CTG recruitment in Tubu, Abra. Members of unit militia reveal arms cache. Following the intensive intelligence operations of the conduct of the Community Support Program or CSP of the 71st Infantry Kaibigan Battalion and 69th Infantry Battalion Philippine Army, along with the Tubu Municipal Police Station, a 58-year-old member of the Militiang Bayan under the KLG AMPIS surrendered to the government authorities at Casamata Hill, Zone 5, Banggid, Abra on June 8, 2021. The commander of the 7th Infantry Kaugnay Division Philippine Army, Major General Alfredo V. Rosario Jr., identified the rebel returnee as alias Los of Barangay Alangtin, Tubu, Abra. Alias Los surrendered with one M16A1 rifle and one M653 rifle and one long magazine and 8 rounds of ammunition. Said surrender was also credited to the efforts of the joint community support teams deployed in Barangay Alangtin, Tubu, Abra, who have been working to support the peace and development programs of the local government unit. While waiting for his enrollment to Enhanced Comprehensive Local Integration Program or ECLIP, said rebel returnees is now in the custody of the PNP for proper disposition. As the whole country commemorates the Independence Day, the people of Sitio Batayan, Barangay Alangtin, Tubu, Abra, declared the communist terrorist group as persona non grata on June 12, 2021, as they have realized the futility of the CTG's cause, that they have been used by the CPP, NPA, NDF to advance its revolutionary struggle and exploited various social issues to agitate them to fuel dissent against the government. Likewise, the former members of the Underground Mass Organization or UGMO, composed of 11 sangay sa partido sa lokalidad or SPL, 7 milisya ng bayan, and 104 mass supporters, have withdrawn their support from the CTG and pledged their allegiance to the government. They also condemn the deceit and lies of the CTG that lures them to join in their cause, while some were forced to join because of fear. This turn of events symbolized the community's liberation from CTG influence, as the locals pledged to support the government's effort and programs in ending the local armed conflict in the province of Abra. The Kaibigan Battalion exposed its insurgents' deceitful recruitment to the students through Youth Awareness Program in Supo National High School, Barangay Supo, Tubu, Abra on June 15, 2021. The 71st Infantry Kaibigan Battalion initiated a youth awareness program to the 50 students of Supo National High School, which aims at providing awareness to the youth sector on the wicked deeds and deceitful recruitment of these rebels. Prevention is better than cure. First Lieutenant Glenn B. Arambala, acting SEM officer of 71st IB, on his message to the program of how grateful they are to the conduct of awareness and information, as they are already aware and never be the victim of the deceptive way of recruitment of the CPP, NPA, NDF.
At ako po ay nagre-rekomenda sa mga sundalo na dapat ipagpatuloy po ang ganitong programa para po ang mga kabataan, mga estudyante at aking mga katulad ay maging aware kung ano ang dapat gawin, kung ano ang tama at kung ano ang dapat lakarin.
The Kaibigan Battalion continues in its quest on information dissemination about the rebels' ill acts and the unit's measure to end insurgency in its area of operations, as well as its humble accomplishments. Following an intensive intelligence operation and the conduct of community support program, members of the unit militia in Sitio Batayan, Barangay Alangtin, Tubu, Abra revealed the location of an arms cache Sunday, June 20, 2021. Combined elements of Intel Platoon and Alpha Company of 71st Infantry Battalion, 69th Infantry Battalion, PNP Tubu, and Provincial Regional Office, Cordillera Region, led by Police Lieutenant Francis Pawig, conducted a joint intelligence operation that resulted to the discovery of the communist terrorist group Arms Cache at Sitio Batayan, Barangay Alangtin, Tubo, Abra, that lead to the capture of one M1 Garand rifle, one clip with 3 ammunitions, one carbine rifle with 1 magazine loaded with 9 ammunitions, 2 7.62mm Springfield rifle with the face serial number, and 1 12-gauge shotgun with the face serial number, and 1 caliber 38 revolver loaded with 3 ammunitions. Said firearms are brought to Advanced Command Post 71st IB at Skyline vicinity, Barangay Alfonso Gregorio del Pilar, Ilocos Sur, for proper disposition. The said accomplishment is a result on the ongoing community support program and continuous engagement of the former members of the unit militia in the said barangays. These accomplishments were made possible with the help of the community, local government unit of Tubu, and stakeholders who unwaveringly support the Kaibigan's advocacy. The community of the said areas are grateful to the kindness and efforts of the CSP teams, who made them realize that the government is always ready to help improve their quality of life through cooperation and teamwork. Rest assured that the Kaibigan Battalion will always be your partner in peace and development.